Welcome to the channel. I'm ShadowScoutSwede. Today I'm gonna do an unboxing video on my mini flashlights I ordered a couple of days ago. And here we have the package. So before we get into the unboxing itself, we will be back after this message. Welcome back, guys. Let's get into this video, shall we? Here is the package. Now, my wife opened the outer bag by mistake. Done is done, so I have to do the best I can with this video. But, lucky for me, she didn't open this plastic bag. So, we can do an unboxing anyway, on a proper way, I hope. So, I have my utility knife. Let's open this and see what we got here. And this was a lot of tape on this one. They have sealed this very well, in my opinion. But on the other hand, it's just good they do, because in that case you know if somebody has tampered or did something to your package. So, man, this was really definitely tight. I'm gonna see if I can cut this open. And yes, I got this open. Okay. I put that knife away because I don't need it anymore. And here we have this one is a little bit crushed package. I don't know what they did with this, but I hope it's okay. Sometimes they are not that wrong way. Okay, we get into that later. It comes with a USB cable. And here is the light itself. I have no idea if this works. No, it doesn't, because it's not charged, but I will charge these up. And the nice thing here is you have the LED lights here, and you have one in the front as well. So guys, this is an unboxing video, so I will do a review on this one when I have charged this up and checked how bright this is and tested it out. And this has different light modes, different color, so we get back into that when I do the review. And here is the package. And you have some symbols. It is the different modes, I guess. Yeah. And by the way, this is Type C charging cable, so that's nice. But it's a neat little flashlight, actually. So it's a really cool one, made of plastic. The body is made of plastic. So it feels durable and very lightweight. So that's all for today's video, guys. And thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching and your support. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos and go live. So I will be back next week with a review on this one. So I see you then. Take care, stay safe, be prepared. God bless. Shadow Scout Swede, out.